Okay, guys. Apparently we got something today. Dr. Smith,
Yes,
I heard we got something.
yes, we did.
What do we get?
It's a box.
A box.
So I say we do an unboxing.
We can unbox.
Yes. And along with that camera, to unbox, I'm going to use this new camera that we just got, which is the GoPro Hero Black 7.
7.
You know, it's one better than the 6. It's two better than the 5.
I don't know. It's a prime, so
Yeah, it's hard to say. Okay. Do you have a knife or something, or should I just
do.
rip it open?
I do. I do have a knife.
We'll set this off like so.
That'll work.
How's that? Oh, a knife.
I bet you're used to using nicer knives than that, but it's a family knife, so.
Boy Scout.
I am not. Actually, I wasn't ever a Boy Scout.
It has the Boy Scout emblem.
It does. It's actually my grandfather's knife.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
He was a Boy Scout.
He was a Boy Scout.
I was a Boy Scout.
I wanted to be a Boy Scout. We could never do it for some reason. I was a Tiger Cub for a year. I don't know if that counts. What's in the box? Oh, yeah, see his number.
Look.
It's a prime number.
Wow. It's a GoPro number 7. You know what they say about this?
It's one better than the 6.
Somebody said that. I don't know who said that. So we have the GoPro number 7.
2 better than the 5.
Yeah, so now we have a GoPro number 14, or if we count this one, we have a 21.
21.
And if you buy the GoPro now, you get these for free.
Oh, nice. Those are good memory cards.
Yes. They're only 32, and usually I put like this has a 128 in it, which would give you 5 hours, which is really helpful because the battery lasts, what, an hour?
Yeah, yeah. Of course, just in case you...
You never know. It's a mismatch. These are probably the right ones to go in there. So, in case you don't know how to open these, they come wrapped in plastic. And you take the plastic off. Then you find the thing on the bottom and you tear it like so.
I did not know that.
And then it just slides out. I see so many unboxing. Well, it's supposed to just slide out, but people don't know how to do it. See that? And then usually I will keep the box and throw this away. No. And then usually you can take this off. It has these little footsie things.
And you can use that for a base, right?
Yes, correct.
Nice.
It gives you a base, has a little padding.
It has a picture on it.
And it has a picture on it. Look. A tortuga. And then in this, you have all the stuff that they usually send you. You have a cable and some sticky stuff and a battery.
So what's the difference have you noticed between the 6 and the 7?
Well, with the 7, I only shot that little video yesterday, or when was that?
Okay.
Yesterday. And it comes routinely in 4x3 as opposed to 16x9. So that kind of fooled me.
Really? That's weird.
But you just hook it up to the app, and then you know how the GoPro app, you just go in there and you can make all the adjustments and stuff. The actual control on the back of it is actually a lot easier to use because it's just like the stuff you use all the time.
Oh, nice.
And you kind of have to use you may be able to do it, but I couldn't figure out how to do it, change the aspect ratio except by using the app. So I used the app because I tried to look at this and I couldn't change it. So
Gotta play around with that some then.
this is all the routine stuff. I'll put this in here. I guess we'll put this together. Well, we can combine all these. Now we got a bunch of these, so.
Because we don't have enough of those yet.
No, yeah, need more. Explaining how to set it up and stuff.
I was more thinking of the sticky pads.
Oh, yeah.
Because we don't have a case full of those that haven't been used yet or anything.
I wonder how many GoPros we have now.
47 and a half, I think. I'm not, maybe not quite that many.
We probably do. Okay. Now this is number 2.
I'm gonna grab this guy for a second.
Okay. There you go. Yeah. It has to be hooked up to the app and updated.
Focus.
And
Focus.
I did update. You also have to put it on the Karma grip and update the Karma grip if you get the 7. It won't. If you just put it on there and turn on the Karma grip, it just sits there. It doesn't do anything.
Weird.
So then you have to plug it in to the computer and it'll update it. And then it works.
Looks very similar to the 6.
It is essentially.
That is the nice thing about GoPro. They're very consistent in their physical design.
Yeah, I think a lot of them have essentially the same internals, but they adjust the software sometimes. I know that I saw something on the internet, YouTube. Anything on YouTube's got to be true.
Of course, of course.
I saw, they have the. What is that doing?
It shut off.
Did it shut off? GoPro on. GoPro capture. Now it's back on again.
Oh, that's cool. Cool. I didn't know it could do that.
You just have to know the commands. So, same thing once again. Throw this out.
And they don't have to be in German.
So they have the black, the silver.
And the white?
Is it the white, the black, the silver, and the white? Or just the GoPro Hero. There's one just called the GoPro Hero.
Okay.
That one, apparently, if you adjust the software, it can turn into a GoPro number 5. So it's essentially all the same stuff. It's just different software. And then the GoPro Hero only shoots in like 1080, but if you hack it, then it will shoot in 4K just like the 5. I use the 5 a lot. I like the 5.
It's been good for us. I know that. We've used it quite a bit.
Of course, I like the 4 too. I still kind of like the 4 because it has the thing you can plug the batteries on the back and make it last forever.
Yeah.
We have a ton of those batteries.
Battery backs, yeah.
Yeah, battery backs. So
I wonder if there's an adapter you can get to plug in those battery backs into the power supply. I wonder if they have those.
Those long-acting batteries, they do have those to go in these, but we have several of those, and they don't seem to last as long as a normal GoPro battery.
Yeah.
Maybe to begin with, but they just don't last very long, But we got a bunch of those because they were supposed to last a long time, but they didn't. Why is that?
So what's the first thing you plan on shooting with these guys?
I don't know. They're so convenient to, to use. Even, we've done interviews in the room with patients and stuff, set them around the room going out shooting and stuff, putting them up. That's what we'll have to do is
if we have to.
go do some shooting, put one up by the target like we've done before. They work good like that.
I gotta bring my pistol.
Yes.
See how much better you are with your laser dot than my iron sights.
Yeah. Well, I told you that right now that company Fire for Effect is modifying my Glock 19 and Glock 17, and they're putting the MRM red dot
Oh yeah.
on both of those. And it should be ready, and plus they're doing some other stuff to it, but they should be ready anytime.
Cool.
So probably the end of this week. When I get those and we can do that, then that will mean I'll have 2 Glocks with red dots, and then I have 3 SIGs with red dots. So you can't have too many.
Of course not. Never to have too many.
Because you know what's going to happen.
Zombies.
Zombies. Exactly. And I really think that if you have a pistol with a red dot, you can get the zombies from a lot farther away. But could be a zombie apocalypse. Okay, we just need to update these, but I guess we don't. not too much. That's very easy to do. It almost updates itself.
And you can talk to it.
Then you can talk to it.
Cool. All right.
Okay.
Edit these guys. We'll edit these guys, Dr. Smith.
Okay.
Whoop. Did you want to give a
Goodbye.
see you on YouTube?
Subscribe. I know where you live. No, I don't know where you live. But I can find you. No, I can't.
Okay.
Okay. There you go.